In today's video, I'll show you how to track new leads in Pipedrive so you can quickly see what's coming in and stay on top of opportunities. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar in Pipedrive and clicking on Leads. This section is separate from deals. It's designed to hold potential opportunities before they're ready to enter your main pipeline, helping you stay organized and focused on qualified prospects. Once you click on Leads, you'll land in the Leads inbox. This is your central hub where all new leads appear, whether they were added manually, imported, or captured through forms. It's built for quick scanning, so you can easily prioritize what needs attention. In the inbox, your leads are displayed in a simple table. Each row represents a lead, and the columns show key details, like the lead's name or company, owner, status, value, source, and the date it was created. If you want to quickly identify new leads, look at the Created Date column to see what's been added most recently. If you're prioritizing by importance, you can focus on the Value column instead. You can also sort the list by clicking on any column header. For example, sort by created date to bring the newest leads to the top, or sort by value to highlight higher potential opportunities first. To narrow things down even further, use the filters at the top right. These let you focus on specific groups of leads, like ones assigned to you, recently added leads, or leads from a certain source. Combining filters makes it easy to zero in on exactly what you need. That's it. With the Leads inbox plus simple sorting and filtering, you'll always have a clear view of your newest and most important leads, so you can act quickly and stay organized.